Go inside. You want to sit here and do the boom, boom, boom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Caca.
Caca. Is it yucky?
Yeah.
There you go. You like it?
Yeah. Caca.
Slowly, not that one. The other one. The other one.
No?
That one, yeah. There you go. And down. Not down, not that one. The other one.
No?
Yeah, that one. There you go.
No?
That one. Okay.
No?
That one, no.
I'm going to
You want to go outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to
Close the door.
Yeah.
See you later, Henry. You going bye-bye?
Yeah.
Okay.
No?
That one? No.
Just go.
It's not going.
What's that?
That's a window. See, look. Hi, Henry. Woohoo. Hi. You like it?
What?
That's a yuck. Cocky.
Caca?
Yeah.
So?
Uh-huh.
Caca?
Caca, yeah.
No?
That one, yeah. Do it. Move it. Move it. Like this, Henry. Like this. Like this. Do it.
So go.
You want to get outside?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go slowly. Give me a hand.
Okay.
Give me a hand.
Go outside.
You go outside. Okay, jump. Good job. Okay, close the door.
Papa, go outside.
Me inside?
Yeah.
Oh.
Go.
Go. Hold on. Wait for me.
Okay.
Henry wants you to get inside. Okay. Watch your hand. Put your hand here. Put your hand here and close it. Woo! Bye, Henry.
Bye.
See you later.
Big duck.
Hey. Hey. No.
Hey.
Hey.
Can go down?
No, you can't go there. We have to clean. Yeah, we have to clean it. It's yucky, right? Good job.
Outside.
Are you going outside?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
see you later.
Bye.
Bye. All right, guys. Got all that goodies, all those money, guys. So now it's time to get some of this. And pretty loose. It's like nothing in there. Wow, look at that. Crazy. Yep, as you can see, there's gonna be some work. I'm gonna get the vacuum at it, but just want to get first the big crap out of it. Man, I thought my RAM has got some issues, but this has got more than that. Yep, we're definitely gonna be busy. This is looking from underneath at the passenger side floor plan, floor. I can see that hole. That's gonna take some work. Look at the first look underneath the car. Brake line completely snapped off or rotted out. That's on the right side. Here's our first look underneath the car, guys. guess it had a cherry bomb on it. You can see we got some holes coming through. One that I can see right through. I left the car so I can take off the bolts for the seats to get them out. Oh my goodness, not much space.